But first off, we're going to be starting with the fundamentals today. Guys, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please be so kind to do what? To subscribe. It's going to be a very, very great help. All right. And so far this month, also before I go to fundamentals, this month so far, we are down 0.55%, which is quite interesting. Okay, we are down 0.55%. Okay, but overall, I'm still up 19 point something percent. And my target this year is just 20 to 30%. So I'm not far away. Okay. And then, as a matter of fact, there was a time I crossed above 20%. I could have stopped trading genuinely. I could have stopped trading. But because of you guys, imagine I stopped trading. And what else would I be doing? Where am I gonna put you guys? Okay, I have to keep trading. That's why I reduced my stop, I reduced my risk drastically. I put it all the way down. Okay, that is the reason. So moving to fundamentals that we have today. By 10:30, we have the construction PMI. All right, by 3:30 p.m. Nigerian time, we have ECB President Lagarde speech. And by 4 p.m., we have card news, which is IV PMI. By 4:30 p.m., we have US dollar. We have the news on US dollar, which is crude oil inventories. And by 8:10 p.m. today, we have Reserve Bank of New Zealand Governor speech. So we have two speeches today. We have crude oil inventories. We have card PMI. And then we have construction PMI. So we also have two PMIs, okay? One in Great Britain and one in Canada. And then we have two speeches, one in Europe and one in New Zealand. And then we have US dollar, which is crude oil inventory. Those are the news that we have today. We're going to be starting with DXY. Right now, DXY, let everyone actually know, or at least the general acceptance or the general view about the election is that Trump is going to win. And if Trump won, it's going to be bullish dollar. All right. And yeah, it's not just going to be bullish dollar. It's going to be bullish dollar. It's going to be bullish, bullish Bitcoin and then bullish stock. Okay. Everything is going to be up, all the way up. And you can see the effect already. You can see DXY is up. All right. It started 1 a.m. when the election coalition started. Okay, 1 a.m. Nigerian time, excuse me. So when the election coalition started, you can see the move is still yet to be what? To be recuperated. But at least we have a caveat here. This gap has been filled. And now we have another gap right at the bottom here. So overall, I guess the forecast is still right. Every gap has to be what? Has to be filled. So moving forward now, every time we see a gap together, we're going to look forward to seeing if it's going to be filled. And yesterday I said that this gap is too wide for it not to be filled. And the video is already on our YouTube channel. You can go ahead and check it out. Okay? You can go ahead and do what you can go ahead and check it out. The video is already on our YouTube channel. So where I said that, which was for yesterday anyway. So now what do we have? What can we expect from dollar index? It's simple. All right. Basically simple. We can look for pullback and then continuation to the upside. That is the basicality of the market. And even without the election yesterday, we had a very good run because our forecast actually went well. We forecasted that the market is going to pull back and we're going to get a return of this place. And that happened exactly that until the news coalition started and we saw a jump. So I think we are doing well here. We didn't do terribly. We didn't do anything wrong, which is good because in trading, you can make money doing the wrong thing. Okay. And you can lose money doing the right thing. That's what people don't understand. When it comes to trading, you can make money doing the absolute wrong thing. And you can make money doing the right thing. Okay? So, this is the wrong thing to do. When you make money doing the wrong thing, you are setting yourself for absolute failure. Okay? You're setting yourself up for failure. When you do the right thing and you lose money, yes, that's fine. Okay? You need to just wait for your edge to play out. And if you're not risking too much, you are far ahead anyone that is doing the wrong thing and is making money. You are 90% ahead, believe me. But the moment you are losing money doing the right thing, you will feel like the worst person in the world. Okay, you will feel downcasted, you will feel bad, believe me. But when it started paying off, what I've had to deal with in 2022 and the half part of 2023, guys, it wasn't a joke. What I've had to deal with, I was doing the right thing, but I kept on losing money. I was doing the right thing, but I kept on losing money. If I wasn't losing money, I'm not making enough. And I can see other people doing the same, doing God knows what. And you will see their posts. And some of you that have been on our WhatsApp for a very long time, you see that one thing you can say about me, one character you should be able to take away from me is the fact that I never quit. I never give up. And I didn't change anything from my approach. It's still the same thing. And now I guess I'm over that. I know there's still going to be others on the way, but at this point in my life, I don't think there's anything I can overcome as far as the market is concerned. So far, I'm not risking 90% per trade. So far, I'm not risking 20% per trade. If I keep it between 0.3% all the way down to 0.7% per trade, believe me, guys, nothing is going to kill me in this market. Not a single thing. And I follow my trend. I follow my system 100%. Believe me, guys, nothing is going to shake me in this market. And I'm going to show that to you in the next 2-3 years if we are still together. Okay. God sparing all our lives. If you are here, I'm here, and you believe and you still follow everything I do, you will see how far we would have gone. Okay. Some of you will be trading 50K accounts at least by then. All right. Who knows? You might be trading $50 million account. Who knows? Okay. But believe me, it's going to be a whole different story. Because one thing you can be assured of is trend in the market. Trend is good to follow. Trend is the priority. So let's jump into euro dollar. I want to start with euro dollar. So we took a trade on euro dollar yesterday, and it's a very beautiful trade. It's a clear trend and a very perfect structure. But the market ended up dropping down. So for some of us, later yesterday, because of the anticipation, I knew a lot of things will happen during the news. But I didn't know it's going to happen late like this. I thought it's going to happen probably in the afternoon, probably during the New York session. And we saw it happen around 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. yesterday. We saw that the market actually take a U-turn. And I asked us to put our stop loss at break even. Some of you did it, and probably some of you didn't. If you didn't, then you must have made at least a very decent profit. But if you did, probably you were caught off. I was also caught off. Okay, I opened the trade on 3 different accounts. 2 of them were cut off. 1 did not. Okay, 2 of them were cut off and 1 did not. It's only the one that wasn't cut off that I was able to put my stop loss right at the top here before I slept yesterday, and then the market cut that one off anyways. There's no way I can withstand this pressure. Where would I put my stop loss? I have to put my stop loss somewhere below here. I have my stop loss right here for me to still be in this trade, and that would be terrible. Okay, I'm definitely never going to do that anyways, and you all know me. So we didn't do anything wrong. The market structure is brilliant. Okay, so forget the fact that, nothing. We didn't do anything wrong. The market is what the market is, and this is what it is. So our plan is to do what? Our plan is to follow what we have right in front of us. And right now, all I can see now is I'm waiting for a very good pullback. All right, something deep, and then I will look for sell. Okay, because we need to first see that dollar index is strong enough to continue pushing forward. Okay, I don't want a measly strong USD. I want a super strong dollar. For me to believe in it, it has to be strong. Okay, it has to be strong. So I want to see a very deep pullback. Okay, at least back to this zone right at the top here. If I can get it right here, I guess that would be a very good place to start. Okay, moving forward. The election is done with the president has been pronounced. Everyone is now, we've seen the result, we've seen the outcome. Now, where do we go from here? So as a trader, I'm not here to forecast what the fundamentals are going to be like, but I don't care. As a trader, how can we make money from the market? If you want to learn how the market is going to do, what is going to happen in the next couple of months, you can go to Bloomberg or go to, what's it called again? The FX Street. You see so many analysts there. You can read until your heart is filled. If you want to learn what to do and how to trade, I guess right here is what I'll be first looking for. Because definitely I'm not going to start selling with this pressure right here. No, it's not my type. It's not my type of move. So first off, this pullback will be considered, meaning the market pullback all the way to the top here. I will investigate right here to see if there is the possibility to sell. Okay. And then if you now move ahead to break above there, then the next place will be right at the top here. Okay. I'll be looking for a possible entry right at the top here before I start taking a trade. Okay. Before I start looking for trades. Simple. Now we have to wait. Some of us don't know how to wait. Okay. But if you don't know how to wait, then that's on you. I don't have anything for you. About some people tell me, can't I buy right here? Since we know the market is going to pull back, can't I buy from here? I don't want to. Because if you bought from here, you are going against this intense pressure. Look at those candlesticks. They are very strong, very crazy. They can crush you if care is not taken. You don't go against a move like this. This is a lot of selling pressure. Why would you want to do that to yourself? Why would you want to do that to your account? Wait for the pullback to happen in some way. We never know. The pullback might never happen. Okay? We're just forecasting. We'd never know. There is endless possibilities. And that is what differentiates trading from gambling. Because gambling is just 90 minutes. Once 90 minutes is over, you have your result. But in trading, it is endless. You can make as much as possible and you can lose as much as possible. In gambling, if you put 10,000, if you bet 10,000 naira or $10,000 on a single match, if the person win, you have the portion you're gonna make. Maybe you're gonna make 30,000K back. That's good. That's all. But in trading, and if you're gonna lose the whole 10K. That's fair. All right. So if you're a billionaire, $10,000 shouldn't be too much for you to lose, and $30,000 should be fair enough for you to make. Okay, that's that. But in trading, definitely, you can lose as much as if you have $3 million and you're planning to risk 10,000, but you need that stop loss, you can lose all your $3 million, 100%. Okay, you can lose everything, and if you keep adding more, you will keep losing it. On that single trade, if you keep expanding your margin, you didn't cut your loss, you keep losing it. That's endless possibility. And if the market is running in profit it's going your direction, it can go as far as $800,000 profit. It can go as far as $1 million profit. It's how long you are willing to leave it to run. Okay, there is endless possibilities. So because of that, I don't want to get caught up in the show, in the drama. I like my money too well to put the fate of my account in the hands of the market. Okay, I can't do that. I put the fate of my account in the hands of my strategy and my risk management, not in the hands of the market. The market is going to do what the market is going to do. My plan is to make sure I have a risk management plan in place and then follow my rules. And my rule is saying that I should simply do what? Simply wait for proper entry. And that is what I'm trying to do right now. So now you can see that the moving average is trying to cross over right now because of this intense move. So let's see how this goes. I'm waiting for pullback. And we have two pullback levels, one right here and the second one right here. Anyone that comes first, we're going to see how it goes. But right now, I am sitting on my bump. But euro dollar was not a bad trade. It was a really good trade because if you had left it to run, it ran as well as 2.4% profit before it started coming down. So that was a very, very good trade. Okay, a very, very good trade. I'm even saying that with all my strength. A very good trade. So moving forward to Euro GBP. Euro GBP on the other hand is still very dramatic. I don't have any plan on this one. This one already closed me out in loss. My 0.01 trade on it has already been closed out. So for now, I'm sitting on my hands. I'm watching very closely, and I would like to see where we go from here. As far as Euro GBP is concerned, no plan, not a single thing. I just want to I want to keep my mind. I want to journal this, and then I will leave it alone. As far as euro dollar is what, Euro GBP is what is concerned. Moving to USD another trade. This one was total loss, 100%. Okay, it didn't look back. There was nothing. It just went all the way up. Okay, it just went all the way up. The only time we had a very small profit is right here and right here when it came down a little bit. Anything outside of that, it was a big deal. I mean, it was well expected. It's written everywhere. And that means, and I was saying this yesterday, that now we can call all of this what a false breakout. Now, the top here also, until we get a very decent move to the upside, this might also be what? Another false breakout. Maybe another fake out. Okay? So we just have to be kind of careful. But right now, I don't have any plan on USD I don't really have any. Okay, I'm gonna drag it all the way down also. Okay, because there's no plan on it. I've already taken an L on it. And right now, I want to wait for the market to be really, really easy to calm down before I start going on it again, or before I start going at it again. Okay, I want everywhere to be fully calm. Okay. Moving forward. So let's start our top watch with pound dollar. Pound dollar also tanked. The market was going very smoothly initially. And you can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This trend line was broken and it's going amusingly well. And then what happened? We're waiting for the market to break above here, pull back nicely, then we start looking for buy. But the news came and then all the way to the down. Okay, it dragged the price all the way to the ground. And right now, I'm definitely not gonna take this sell. Okay, for sure. You won't see me take this sell. For now, I'm waiting. All right, I'm watching. Don't forget, guys, I'm not here to tell you the impact of the news. As a matter of fact, even I myself, I have to update myself on that one. But as a trader, I have a plan, and my plan is to watch my setup play out this way, and then I'll start picking trades moving forward. Okay, that's the plan. So moving forward, pound US dollar, I'm watching it very closely, and I'd like to see how this goes. Okay, I would like to see how this goes. USD JPY on the other hand kind of move up also. So this one still looks good because normally we are already and we are moving higher before yesterday, and we saw all of this happen, which I was expecting a very deeper. I was expecting a deeper pullback. I mean, deeper break of this structure, a more better pullback, and then I'll start looking for what a possible sell opportunity moving forward. But yeah, the news had something else planned, so that didn't play out. So right now, I think I might be looking to buy USD JPY. As far as I'm concerned, USD JPY right now is still very, very decent to look for a buy opportunity. And that is what I will be looking for right now. We all know that Donald Trump winning is before he can be sworn in, that's till January. Okay? That's till January next year. So we still have November, the rest of November and December to trade. Okay? It's not like it's going to keep riding the whole thing up like crazy now. All right? It's still going to be intermittent. It's going to be basic. Okay? And I have something very interesting on GJ that I will be sharing with you later. Okay? So moving forward, I will be looking forward to see what happened right at the top here on USD JPY. Then I will be looking for buy because overall, USD JPY is still quite bullish, and I would like to see how that goes. Okay, I would like to follow it, but I'm definitely not going to jump into it probably, and I'm definitely not going to rush into it. Okay, so that's on that. Also, dollar on the other hand, I think also dollar is pulling back already, so this might be a fast one to enter. Okay, but I'm definitely not going to jump into it abruptly. I'm definitely not going to take it sell immediately, but we'll look into it together. Okay, let me even put a notification right here just in case we pull back nicely and we are looking into selling further. Okay, I told you that dollar will definitely take a lap. It's going to take a rest before it continues this bullish momentum. So we just have to be patient to see how it goes. So right now, yeah, Aussie dollar is pulling back very fast right now, and it seems to be the only one doing that, which is really, really good. Okay, let's see if we can get into Aussie dollar once this pullback is over. Okay, let's see if we can get into it. But it will be another risky trade because overall, we had two crossovers right now. Okay, we had a bullish crossover right here. Now we're having a bearish crossover. So let's see if this pullback happens, then we're going to investigate thoroughly. Okay, we're going to investigate thoroughly, and then we see if we can take a sell trade moving forward. But right now, I think Aussie dollar might be a very good trade for us today, basically, or even this week. Okay, so let's be patient. All right, we've seen this before, we've traded before. Right now, we just have to be patient. I'm going to delete this. But this news move is telling me to just relax. Okay, probably throughout today to just relax and do something else. But if we have a very good setup, we might look into it together. Okay, moving forward to NZD-USD, I think the same should be happening to NZD-USD as well. It is pulling back nicely. And just fun fact here, dollar index, I mean, QE dollar never crossed. QE dollar never crossed. Imagine this sell trade that we pick somewhere around there. If we put our stop loss right at the top here, we still be in profit right now. We definitely be in profit right now. Okay, but we tighten our stop loss, which is normal. Okay, I'm not saying we did anything wrong. What I'm trying to say is just that, I mean, this is still very bearish, so this one might be a better setup than even Aussie dollar. All right, but let's do a quick backtrack. Let's go to 8-hour time frame to see how the possibility of this move. Well, I don't think it's bad. We still have so much move to the downside, at least right here. But we are very close to a very significant low. Okay, we've broken this low already. Now we have this low that was retested few hours ago, and I guess it's pulling back now. So the only last low that we have is still below there. So what to do? Okay, but there is room, right? There is room at the bottom here. There's still room to here, and even here. Okay, we still have some room. So let's be careful with this one. Okay, let's be careful. Don't forget the higher time frame controls the lower ones. Okay, the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. You have to put that at the back of your mind. Okay, and don't eat with it. Okay, the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. And that is what I'm looking at right now. So a possible buy, a possible sell on Kiwi dollar, yes, but we have to get into this with absolute patience. Okay, with what? With absolute patience. And the entry will even be very tricky because I wouldn't want us to join right at the top here. And looking for a engulfing candle, that means we'll be joining right below here. Okay, if you're looking for engulfing candle, that means we're joining right below there. Because with this particular bullish candle, you have to wait for it to close first by 10. And then you close bullish anywhere above here. We are going to take the trade. We have to wait for it to be engulfed at least. Okay, when it's now done, when it's engulfed, then we can look for entry. All right, so it still has a long way to go. We still have like 3 more hours to wait for this entry, for the entry. Okay, but we should pay close attention to it. 3 hours is not that much. Okay, not that much. So moving forward to USD card. USD card also pulling back now, not bad. I was already looking for sell opportunity on USD card. I was already salivating for that sell opportunity since I saw the close below here. I was expecting a deeper pullback, maybe right here before then I will start looking for short opportunity. But then the news house came and destroyed everything. So right now, the plan is to be patient and wait now. Okay, that's what I can do right now. This move is not articulate enough, it's not fair. Right now, I think I'm gonna sit on this one also. I'm gonna sit on it, I'm gonna be patient with it, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're gonna see how it goes. But right now, no plan on this one. Okay, just sitting and waiting. That is the plan on USD card. Just sitting and waiting. Even though majority of you don't like sitting and waiting, but that is all I can offer right now. Okay, sitting and waiting. Okay, and I have a couple of things to do today. I have studio to attend and all like that. So if you are also in, you can tune in on the 90.9 FM top radio station so you can listen to me and you can join us on the program. And the market will always react and follow the big money. Okay, so don't think for a minute that maybe, just maybe, you can have a full hang of the market. You can predict the market 100%. No, not possible. It's impossible. It's too big to do that. Okay, so that is just what I want to say. And gold was measly move. I mean, it was quite weird. When I still woke up and I already saw what happened to USD. I still saw dollar right here. When all of this drop happened, I was in a class during that time. Okay, when all of that happened. And I was like, this is just uncool. Okay, you need to relate to the market the way it is. You have to see it for what it is and trade it for what you can see right in front of you. Not what you think, but what you see. That is the plan in the market. And that should always be your primary assignment, to trade the market based on what you can see. Okay, based on what? Based on what you can see. That is all. All right, that is what? That is all. Not what you think, not what someone said online, not what Mr. Demola said, based on what you can see. And based on what I can see right here, I still believe that gold is still bullish, all right, and it might remain bullish for as long as possible. And if we go back now to DXY, you see that DXY is now dropping down, okay? So basically, maybe we're going to get it all the way down here. The same thing on euro dollar, okay? Or maybe we're going to get it all the way down here before we now see it fly up later. But don't forget, Fed is going to cut rate tomorrow. If they cut 25 basis points as market is forecasting, we might likely not see a very serious move in the market. But if they cut deeper, maybe 50 basis points or 75 basis points, then definitely we are going to see a much deeper move in the market. But this is my plan on DXY, as it was on euro dollar. Okay? Now all we have to do is wait. Okay? All we have to do now is what? Is wait. Now I think I got the notification on Aussie dollar, and I think it's back to where I wanted to. Now is the time to wait. But this green candle is impressive. And it's big, volatile. I'm not going to take a sell because I see the market retesting this place now. Nope. I will wait for proper entry. I'll wait for this candle to close. Then I will get into the trade. Okay. That is the plan. So right now, I don't have any plan on gold. Also, My buy trade, I just tap out and loss, so that's fine. Like I said, I didn't open this trade anyways. You understand? So it's just there. And the reason why I didn't take this trade is because of the election. And you can see that even our doubts are fair, are a little bit correct because we're being very cautious of the election, and you see how it plays out. Okay, so be kind of careful. So now, lastly, let's talk about GJ. Okay, GJ right here is doing wonders. I had a very good plan on GJ, and it's at the top there. So if I'm gonna take a buy, it's gonna be right above here. Okay, I'm looking forward to this very well. I'm even looking forward to it much more than I'm looking forward to UJ. So GJ is very well, and I will see if I can get a very good buy from dollar yen. And lastly, Bitcoin went up, obviously. Bitcoin went up. It's coming down now, but we had a very beautiful new all-time high. Hallelujah. We had a new all-time high at, I think, 73K. Yeah, around 73K right here. This is the highest it has ever been. And that is Donald Trump effect. Okay, Donald Trump effect, the election effect, basically. That's 75K, excuse me. Right, yeah, 75K. So that is all-time high at 75K, $75,383. Okay, that is that on that. So guys, I don't have any plan on Bitcoin right now, I guess. We see how it goes in the next couple of days, and then we see how to plan ahead for it also. So right now, the only plan I have, doing a recap now, the only plan I have is euro dollar. I'm looking to see if I can take a sell on euro dollar, but my pullback is right here. The first place is here, and this is my B plan. Okay, the A plan and the B plan. But the B plan is much better because it will give us a better entry and a more discount at a more discount price. And then pound USD also, I think I have a plan on that one, but not totally 100%. Okay, because the fundamentals kind of around the market is crazy. So I'm being very patient on this one. USD JPY, not a single thing, but I will look for buy at the top here. Another time I'm going to put it at the top. I'll put that above USD, pound USD, because it's much better for me to take buy on UJ. Okay, much better, and it's more structural. All right, Aussie dollar on the other hand, I think it's still going up immensely. This is crazy. Okay, so don't go against this right now. Be careful, but we have a plan on it also. Kiwi dollar at the same time also going up gradually. I guess Kiwi dollar, I just showed us that we are very close to the monthly support, but there's room right below here and there's room right below here. So that will be our target in the next couple of days, but let's be patient and wait for it very carefully. And that is all based on my plan. And Euro GBP, no plan, nothing. Okay, don't rush into this buy. Careful, be cautious, be patient, and let's see how the market goes. I have plan on USD JPY, Aussie dollar, and pound and Kiwi dollar. All right, pound dollar is still building up, so but the remaining three are they're almost ready. So that's that. Yes, I just said I have something on UJ. I just shared it. I said I'm looking for buy at the top here. Okay, I'm looking for buy at the top there. Okay, don't rush into it right now. Okay, please. The money you're gonna make is in the market. Don't force it. Okay, don't force it. That's my advice. On that note, guys, I will see us tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye for now.